Hello, little friend. Today we will learn about a bird we often see in parks and cities. What bird is this? Think and answer. 3, 2, 1.
This is a pigeon.
Excellent. This is a pigeon. What color is the pigeon?
Gray.
That's right. Pigeons are usually gray. Can a pigeon fly?
Yes.
Wonderful. Pigeons can fly high in the sky. What does a pigeon like to eat?
Seeds and grains.
Great job. Pigeons enjoy eating seeds and grains. Can you say pigeon?
Pigeon.
You are learning about birds very well. See you next time at Little School Bell.